Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Rad Rise. This is Hassan Shirazi. We have another special car for you. This is the Lucid Air Dream Edition, R version. This has 933 glorious horsepower and it does the 0 to 60 in 2.8 seconds. If you're new to this channel, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe. We're gonna have some fantastic cars for you twice per week. We're having a video on Wednesday and Sunday. If you're ready, let's have some fun with this Lucid. 1, 2, 3. Oh my God, this thing goes so fast. All right, so what is Lucid? Lucid is an American car company founded by Peter Rawlinson. Peter Rawlinson used to be the chief engineer of Tesla Model S. He wasn't so happy of how things were run at Tesla, the management and whatnot. He may even had a run-in with Elon Musk himself. However, he left and he founded his own company, and lo and behold, this is it. This is the first, the launch edition. They call them Lucid Air Dream Edition. They're only making 520 of them for the whole world. And this one particular one is the R version that has, when it's fully electrified, fully charged, it gives you 520 miles of range. Now, the owner of this car has some sports wheels on it. So the actual mileage, the range is only 460, 470 miles. The other version of this launch edition, it's called the Lucid Air Dream Edition P meaning performance. That one has 1111 horsepower. They're both all-wheel drive. The P has the 0 to 60 of 2.4 seconds. This one has a 0 to 60 of 2.8 seconds. Let's talk about the front of this car. You got the Lucid printed in here. Obviously, you got this LED light that goes all around. You got your camera here, the sensors. Then you got the vertical DRL, and also it also turns into turn signals once you engage it. It's very clean. I like how you have these vents that cool actually the lights, and then it comes out through here as well. Little fun fact about these wheels, the inside pieces actually do come off. The reason Lucid left these on is because it increases the range of this car, or reduces the drag coefficient. And these particular ones have 245s in the front tires, and then they have 265s in the back. They're all wrapped in Pirellis. Also, the braking, they have 8-piston caliper in the front and 4-piston in the rear, which is very much needed for this fast. Rear passengers of this car get treated to a lot of room. If you notice, this front seat is actually all the way in the back, but I still got plenty of room. That one is a little bit more forward, but you can see and appreciate how much rear passengers get as far as their seating arrangements. I wish we didn't have that little bar in the middle splitting off this canopy, this glass canopy, but I believe they had to do it for structural integrity of the car. Also, this little alien looking thing, that's actually the Bluetooth antenna or speaker. The rear passengers have the option for their seats, heated seats, and climate control. Also, there is the sun The interior is called Santa Monica interior after soft, light and muted colors of daybreak in Santa Monica Beach. Also, you have leather, Napa leather in graphite gray and ceramic with Alcantara inserts, as you see, and silvered eucalyptus wood. This infotainment screen that is on the dash is held only by one little pod right here, but it looks like it is floating because I can put my hand underneath there. Then you have another one that extends down here that you can choose your climate control and various other things. Lucid actually put buttons for the climate control, which is a lot of its competitors are not, but they just were like, okay, we're just gonna do it anyway, which I think is a good idea. And this little knob is actually for raising and lowering the volume of your stereo system. Another fun fact, the doors get opened by this. It's an electronic switch. Tesla actually has a fully functional trunk compared to the Mercedes-Benz EQS and Tesla Model S that have a hatch. And it's very, the entrance part is very wide, so you can put things that are very wide. However, right there it stops, so you can't go all the way back, but it's pretty roomy. You got a little side area that you can put more stuff here with a little outlet, okay, a 12-volt outlet. You also have more room here that the owner has put his water bottles here, and some more room here. And if you notice, you have brake lights here, but watch this. I'm gonna press this and the actual brake lights are there, but there's a per DOT, if the trunk of the car moves the taillights, you actually have to have taillights also on the bumper or someplace that is exposed for safety reasons. The sticker of the Lucid Air Dream Edition, R version, meaning range. It is Eureka Gold with Dream Santa Monica interior. And we also had those 21-inch Aero Dream wheels. And the price of it comes up to $170,500. Here's some of the options that you can kind of see. This car is very smooth when you drive it, and it's very responsive. If I put my feet on the gas just a little bit, it just does the normal driving. But if I go halfway or all the way, it's just crazy. Like, oh, right here, my God, it just launches you. And it's got the auto-generating braking system. Okay, we have different settings on this interface. We're on smooth, still very responsive. Then we can go to swift. I can feel it becoming a little bit more responsive. And if you really want to see how much this car can perform, go on sprint. But it's asking that it's going to do the maximum power and torque, and also it's recommended to be used by skilled and advanced drivers under suitable conditions. We're going to confirm that, and then we're gonna, whoa, it is fast. Okay, we're gonna give this car a little bit of gas, a little, I mean a lot. Oh my God, look at how fast it's going. Jesus Christ. All right guys, thank you so much for watching this episode of Rad Rides covering this beautiful Lucid Air Dream Edition, one of 520 for the launch edition. Special thanks goes to the owner of this car that let us do it. This car is very capable, very fast. It's got a lot of features in it. And we're excited to see what's more coming out of Lucid, the American company. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. We have 2 videos coming every week, and we can't wait to see you again. Until next time, bye-bye.